Where were you? When did it all happen? When do we all die? JK, kill the person! Okay, I'm in the forest. Well, this creepy tevin. Where is the truth? There are 3 deaths this week, and I accidentally several other people. I just need to kill this person and leave. Wow, dead animals? Well, I expected to find them.
He's not just a wolf. You need to kill him. He has our souls. Save me, please. I must be hallucination. How can he talk? I think this is the phone of one of the victims. I'm pretty sure. Apparently there is nothing in this room. Just a key. A bad smell seems to come from that door. I think I figured out what that bad smell is coming from. Wait a minute. I don't know how long I will hide. I feel approaching. You will be next. He left her message before his death. And I feel someone close. Don't tell me it's him. Don't tell me it's evil tevin. I knew it! Wait, no. Okay, so this is the person who killed all those people. And what the heck did he even fucking go? Like, where did he go? Wait a minute. Don't eat this fucking. Okay, that's it. Look at my trap. Boom! Boom! Don't worry yourself. It's too late to save you.
I need to run before that thing catches me. You're not gonna run away now, little boy. You are not gonna run. Spare here. I need to find a place to hide. This must be another victim's house.
I need to go hide right away. I don't care if there's a body in there. I need to hide somewhere at least. I'm coming for you. You and the theater. He can't seem to open the fucking door. I think he stopped knocking on the fucking door. Oh no! This thing came through the wall, the window. He's hunting me. I can hear his footsteps. He's gonna hunt me down. I thought I was the only one hunting. What the hell? What did you do to my little kid? What's behind that door anyways? I'm gonna hide here, but there seems to be a bad smell come from this door too. Don't tell me it's my grandma that I met 20 years ago. But, let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, wait a minute. Something ain't right. I know a victim. I don't want to be fucking next. What knew her?
You have nowhere to escape. Your fate is sealed.
What the world?
You look like them.
You didn't save them. You are a failure. You deserve this fate. I know that. You didn't save me. You didn't save me. You didn't save me. You didn't save me. You are my